Oil palm farming in Nigeria. So oil palm is a fruit that resembles a green coconut but smaller than the coconut. Palm oil is contained in two parts of the fruit, in the pericarp, which has fibrous fleshy outer coating, and in the kernel, which is a nut inside the pericarp. The main oil palm growing areas in Nigeria are Port Harcourt, Calabar, and Sapele. Those are the main growing areas. Factors favoring oil palm growing. One is high rainfall of over 2000 millimeters that is well distributed throughout the year. High temperatures of between 21 and 30 degrees Celsius throughout the year. High relative humidity of between 80 and 90% during the growing period. Protection or shelter from strong winds. Fertile deep well-drained soils. And lastly, altitude of below 750 meters above the sea level, that is gently sloping. So those are the factors that influence or favor growing of oil palm in Nigeria. So we have cultivation of oil palm. So how is oil palm cultivated? The land is first cleared and then plowed. Oil palm seedlings are then raised in a nursery. The seedlings are then transplanted onto the already prepared fields after 1 year. Weeding and control of pests is done regularly. So we have processing of oil palm. At the factory, the fruits are sterilized by passing through hot steam to arrest acid development. The sterilized fruits are then passed through stripper, where the individual fruits are stripped of the stalk and other unwanted materials. The fruits are then put in digesters for further cooking to soften them into pulp. The pulp is then separated from the kernel and then pressed to extract oil by the oil extractors. Extracted oil is then kept in the settling tanks to allow unwanted materials to settle. The oil is then packed in containers ready for marketing. Next we have marketing of palm oil. So how is it done? A greater percentage of the palm oil produced is consumed locally in Nigeria as cooking oil. Then most of the kernel and kernel oil is exported to Europe and the USA. We have uses of palm oil and oil palm trees. One, it is used for production of soap and paint, that is palm oil. Palm oil is used for cooking. Next use, the sap from the stem is used to produce palm wine. The palm leaves are used for roofing houses. The leaves are also used for making baskets, brooms, among other things. Then the shells and fibers are used as fuel. So those are the uses of palm oil as well as the oil palm trees.